please.
You want me to know that if I marry him, I condemn myself to a miserable, loveless life.
Why me?
I love you.
Figure this out, you and me.
I don't sit in the fridge anymore.
I love you.
I cannot disobey the king.
You mock the king in front of his soldiers.
How should I refuse him?
What does it make you? A liar or a coward?
I don't know what my choices are. There is duty that both of us must cleave to.